Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, definitely this is a big news here. So one of the candidate has got the communication from the company after he put the post on the LinkedIn. So you can see this is definitely the LinkedIn post here, and he has updated his post. So my issue is resolved. I received communication and it was possible just because of your help. Thank you everyone for helping me. I am much obliged to my LinkedIn family. Okay, so you can see his real post. So I myself received the selection mail from Infosys for the specialist programmer role, stating I have a job offer for a specialist programmer role at Infosys. But since then, I have endlessly waiting for the next step. I declined all other offers just to join Infosys. And now I am left with no offers in hand to join. Neither Infosys talent acquisition team is responding. I have reached out to endless people from Infosys asking for a valid point of contact for asking my queries. But just like Infosys, even they are not responding. Initially, I stopped many of my friends from switching from Infosys to another company and encouraged some of my colleagues to join Infosys. And it was one of the dream companies to be. But recently, I have started doubting my decision. And I hope this reaches the recruiters and talent acquisition team of Infosys, and they take necessary steps to help freshers get a good experience. So this post has a good reach. And after that, that particular student, I'm not revealing his identity. He has also put his candidate ID, email address, everything in this post. So after that, he has updated the post that my issue is resolved. I received communication and it was possible just because of your help. Thank you everyone for helping me. I am much obliged to my LinkedIn family. See, I don't know what kind of communication he has received. Okay. See, I tried contacting him, and definitely I will try to get some information from him. But see, as far as I can see from this LinkedIn post, he is happy. Okay. So he has got communication, and that is the reason he has updated my issue is resolved. So this was just a update, my dear friends. So when he was not getting response from the company, and he has also mentioned that I have reached out to the endless people from Infosys asking for a valid point of contact. He has even contacted talent acquisition team, but he did not get any response. And before 2 days, he has put it on LinkedIn, and because the post reach was good, he has also got the communication, and his issue is resolved. Okay, so this is just a update for you all. And if there is any kind of a similar update, I will be giving it to you. No need to worry about that. But if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe and click on bell icon so that you will be getting all the updates. So friends, I just wanted to tell you, so you will be getting your onboarding dates, you will be getting your joining dates, you will be getting your offer letter. But yes, things might take time. Okay, so things might take time. I'm just giving you all the updates to you. But yes, so you have to be a little confident, you have to motivate yourself, you have to upskill yourself, you have to reskill yourself. We are also bringing a lot of videos now, so that you will be able to identify your potential. Based on that, you can learn the things, because many of you wanted to learn data science, but you don't know how you can learn and you will be able to learn or not. See, I cannot learn data science because I do not have much interest in Python or machine learning or mathematics. I cannot learn DSA because I'm not good at C++, I'm not good at Java. So before we go for any kind of courses, we need to understand our capabilities, and based on that, I'll be bringing the videos for you. But right now, this is the update, and I hope all these updates are useful to you and you are using. Okay, so you are using all the opportunity which comes to you. You are using all the information which comes in the update. So thank you friends, take care, all the very best. So we are there with you, and we need your support, you need our support, so we will support each other. Thank you.